Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ruthvik Google Ads classes. Today we are diving into Google Ads assets, previously known as ad extension. These are extra elements like call buttons, site links, and structure snippets that make your ads more engaging and improve performance. So using the right assets can increase your click-through rate, improve ad relevance, and give users more reasons to interact with your ad. So in this video, we will go through different types of assets, when to use them and how to add them to a campaign. So let's get started. So what are assets? So assets extensions enhance your ads by adding extra information. It increases visibility and improving click-through rate. Why use asset extension? More ad space, you get a higher engagement, increase click-through rate, a better ads performance, provides extra information like users. It helps users take actions more quickly. What are the types of assets? So there are many types of assets. We are talking with site link assets, which add additional links to different pages of your website. Call out assets, which highlights key benefits like free shipping 24 by 7 and gives supporting call out actions to bring out the customers. The next one is structure snippet assets. It showcases specific product categories or services. It basically highlights what are the most important product categories you are going to add. So what are call assets? Call assets are a clickable phone number to your ad. So if anyone see the call button, they can click on the call button, they can contact you. That's call assets. So what is location assets? The location asset is to display your business address and Google Maps link in search engine page or YouTube ads. So what are price assets? Price assets are mostly used for shopping ads. It shows products pricing directly in the ad. What are promotion assets? So promotion assets are highlight for offer or discount. Example, we are providing a 20% off today, 40% off, and that's all. What are image assets? Image assets are add relevant images to make your ad more engaging. What are lead form assets? Lead form assets are to collect customers' information directly from your ad. What are app assets? So with app assets, we are encouraging people to download the apps with direct link. So how to add an extension? First, we need to go to Google Ads, click on the assets, then select the type, add relevant details, save and apply. Using the right assets extension improves your ads reach and performance. So let's see in the Google Ads account how can we add a asset extension to a Google search ad. So we'll go to the Google search ad and log into Google Ads account with the ad, and let's go to campaign, 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 and here we'll select the campaign which I want to choose to add my assets. It's a search ad. So applying a search ad with asset is very important. It boosts my search ad. So there's an option over here in the left hand side of the Google ad account. Name as assets. Click on that. You will be getting many different names like this all are the available items in the assets extension. It's like for us search that these are the extensions all we can give out. So let's see what's all are. So first one is all business name. In business name we can click on plus and enter a business name. So for this I'm using my account, so I need to submit many documents about this to carry on. So it's a time taking process. I'm skipping the step of a business name and business logo. These are for a verified business account. As of mine's not a business performance account, so I'm not giving any business name or logo. If I give any duplicate business name or logo, if I now I'm working on Tata Click. So if you have Tata Click, then Google will know this is not a Tata Click account. It will block my account permanently. So do not give any fake. Please give your own business name and business logo. And let's go to another site link asset. So in site link we can give a yes, we can give like site link text by now. So in description I can give no need of giving description. This is an optional one. So in URL you should give. So in URL you can already you have a generated URL. So copy this and give this as a URL. Yes, and you can give one more 50% of cycling. So you can also give another. Okay, let's copy only. Okay, yes, I don't know the other description. So I click on continue. Yes, we added the two types of site links. One is buy now and we gave a UTM extension. We use 50% off and we gave the real page without UTM. And we'll try the next one as headline. In headline and description, we already gave 15 headlines and 15 descriptions in Google search type of ad. So please check out if you have not checked out that. This is the video which we have done about search ad, and this is the process which we did about a Google campaign summary. Please look out the video like how did we got this many types of headlines, this many type of description, what is keyword research and what are the keywords which we use. Please check it. And those are the two types of headline and uh, description. So the next asset we are using is callout. In callout, we need to call out text like any extra product. Like we can see what are types of categories available for in menswear. So in menswear we have sports clothes. We have gym clothes. We have many types like what type of clothes are available. We have ethnic wear. Yeah, we can give out like what type of categories you guys provide in callouts. So in structure snippet is nothing but in the description what you give, the word will be highlighted. Like I want to highlight my brand name, so this will be coming in a bold. In WhatsApp you send bold text, so this will be applied in bold text. So my main focus is about menswear. So menswear and that is my main focus. I'm adding both into the structure snippet. Either you can use the brands. It's about brand at least common value. So three values it's asking. So I can give like my all about clothes. So yes, you can add top luxury or anything in the structure snippet so it can attract people. In call you can use this call button. So if you want any customers to call, whether if you are an offline business, it's very useful for you. You can choose the India. I can use any phone like give you a precise phone number and you can increase your bid over here. You can increase or decrease for your call. If you increase, it shows people maximum. If you decrease, it do not show. It shows other types of assets. And yes, in lead form is instant form submission. If anyone is want to know about the data, like if I am a wedding planner and I want how much is the quotation, so I need to ask them to redirect to a lead form where they can ask like grand wedding business name. I can give like I will say Tata Click. We're bringing Tata Click to wedding also. Okay, and what all you need from them? You need phone number, email, name. You need anything about? You can select it. What type of English you want? Like you need to give a policy page also. This is important in doing a system from radio. Google need to check the policies page. So yes, you need to give. You can add a background image for this. You can also give a thank you message in your description. So add only the relevant ones. For mine, this types of a lead form is not for sales. This is the worst one to do. So actually, we do not need to do all this. But yes, for explaining about the process, I'm doing saying this, but it's not a live campaign, so it's okay. So do only when it's necessary and the location. So if this is online business, I don't need to give any location. But if you need to know what to do, yes, I am there for you. And okay, so yeah, if I have any business locations, I'll be seeing the locations how many I have. So I do not have any business locations. I don't. I can't create another's profile. I can't access the other two. If someone is having a business and you are a client, then we need to ask the email address. We need to ask and connect, like take access from them so that we can access your business. So for that we need to do. Otherwise, we cannot all promote these types of locations, assets. So for prices for shopping ad, and yes, for us it's the most valuable in a sale. So in this, we need to connect account to Google Merchants, and so yeah, here you can see language, type or brands, currency we can give to INR, price qualifier up to 40% off. You can like menswear, we can give up to 40% off to 40 rupees per hour. Okay, you can give anything over here. Have a sale, look, price, and you can give the URL where you want to bring people. So at least you need to add three assets. So yes, you can do it. And this is app. So if you have app or you want to promote like install, people make install the app, then you can select this. You can also select which type of ads are available. Because for iOS we need to give Apple's link. For Android we need to give Google Play Store link. So these two have different emails, like two different links. So enter both of them, and yes, we are done with our app assets. Now let's try with the promotion assets. In promotion websites, we're giving like 40% off. Crack sale, Black Friday sale, crack onto the website. So occasion we can click like Black Friday, currency INR. Okay, it's INR. And this we are giving like percent discount. I'm giving up to 60% off on item menswear. This is the final URL where you can go and enjoy. And if there any promo code, you can also give the promo code like Ruthvik style. Then if you use the promo code, getting 60% off. These are the strategies which you can use in our sites. It's very important for making videos, like making the types of ads and building ads more responsibility and giving a structure to a ad as it plays that role. And yes, I hope you like this video, and that's a wrap for dive deep into Google Ads assets. Adding assets to account can boost visibility, improve ad performance, and drive better results. So make sure this is the right ones for your campaign goals. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my playlist for many more videos about Google Ads. And yes, thank you.